Hey friends, in today's video I'm gonna unbox my Samsung S10 Plus, and with this I'm gonna tell you the hidden features of S10 Plus. So first is about flashlight. Click on flashlight. Here you can turn on the flashlight and then you can increase or decrease the brightness of flashlight. I think this is good feature. You can set light according to your need. How about if I hide navigation buttons? So let's start and hide the navigation buttons. Click on settings, display, slide down, click on navigation bar. As you can see, full screen gesture, click on that and you can see your navigation bars are hidden. Now you gotta slide upwards. Now you can see no more buttons on the screen. Return button is hidden, home button hidden, and open app button is hidden. It looks really very nice. Sometimes you feel uncomfortable with camera shutter button, so position. So here you can drag or slide the shutter button anywhere on the screen. In S10 Plus there are three rear cameras. First is 2x zoom, standard, and wide angle. Another amazing feature is that you can set a video as your wallpaper. So your video should be less than 15 seconds and you can set the video as wallpaper. So here you can see that your wallpaper is live. Sometimes you don't have charger adapter with you. So this is one of the best and most amazing feature they added to Samsung S10 Plus. With Samsung S10 Plus, you can charge your phone easily. I mean, it's not that fast charger, but something is better than nothing. So you can charge your phone. I like this feature. It's like really amazing feature. As you can see, I'm gonna charge my iPhone XS with Samsung S10 Plus. So it's charging. This is one of the coolest feature known as pen window. Go on settings, then go on biometrics and security, then go on other security settings, go on pen windows. As you can see, turn on pen windows, open on app, press the recent button, tap the icon above the app, then select pin this app. Now go on home. Like as you can see, I select Facebook and in the last it says pin this app. So now this app is pinned. Now if you press return, home and recent app button, it's not gonna go back. So this is how it works. So like no one can see your privacy and other apps. To unlock this, press return and the recent button like at the same time.